So this app rewards you for doing things like posting content, engaging with the community, posting your own content, engaging with other people's content. It is designed to help you showcase your achievement, connect with like-minded people, and find opportunities like scholarships, internships, jobs, whether you're a student, young professional, or someone looking to grow. So as a Nigerian, I've been able to make at least $200 every month using this particular app by writing reviews. And this video covers the registration process on the app. This app is very strict with registration process. Hence, do well to follow the instructions I'm going to give in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get your profile approved. There will be a private group for approved profiles. Those people whose profiles are approved, there will be a private group for them, and it's a free class, 100% free. And in that class, I'll be teaching you guys how to make at least $200 monthly, writing reviews, and participating in other opportunities on this app. Whatever you do, please do well to pay attention to every step of this registration process in this video, because there is only one way to register on this app. There is only one way to register, and if you don't follow this step correctly, if you just miss one single step, you are going to miss it out. Yes, you are going to miss out on every other thing. So make sure you pay attention to the end of this video. Don't skip any step. So this is the registration order we are going to follow. Watch this video to the end. Send me a DM. Send me a DM for registration link. All you need to do is watch this video to the end and come to my DM for registration link. When you get the registration link, the first thing you should do is install the app. After installing the app, rule 1, do not register after installing the app. After installing the app, come back to the link again and click on the registration link for the second time. This is because if you head over to the registration immediately after installing this app, your account will be invalid and there is nothing you can do about it. So follow this due process and your account will be valid. Now, when you click on the link for the second time after installing the app, you'll be directed to this app again. This is the time you are going to enter your details and continue with the registration process. So the first thing you need to do is to enter your email address in the provided space here. Enter your email address or your phone number. Do not use Google or Facebook or Yoma to register. Make sure you type in your email address just like this. So let's assume this is your email address. So I'm typing davidson1@gmail.com. davidson1@gmail.com. Gmail. Make sure you type it manually. If this email is valid, it is going to be checked green just right here. You see that it is marked green. Alright, so that is to tell you that this email is a valid email. Do not use any of these other means of registration to register. This is the only correct means of registration. Take note. Now click on next after inputting your email. Click on next. When you click on next, it will take you to the next page. Here you are to provide your full name as on your legal details. After typing your full name correctly, you click on next. On this particular page, provide your birthday as on your legal details. Make sure you are at least 18 years and above. After that, you click on next. On the next page, you are to identify yourself either as a female or as a male. You click on next. So on this particular page, you need to type in your password. You need to set a password for yourself. So I'm going to show you the particular password format that is accepted on this app. So for instance, let's assume that this is my password, Davidson. Your password must be at least 8 characters or longer and must contain at least one of these special characters highlighted here. @ and question mark. Look at what I'm doing. Capital letter and then some small letters and a number, at least a number, right? Let's say I'm going to use 4. You can use 0. You can use 2 numbers. Just ensure that your password is at least 8 characters and longer and it contains letters, number, and special characters, right? When you finish, you click on create account. An email will be sent to your email box. Head over to your email box. Do not click on anything on this page. Just go straight to your email to click on the link sent to your email. Let's head over to our email now. So here we are in our email box. This is the email sent to us from the app. Now we click on this link highlighted here. This word link is bolded. That means there is a link inside this word link. So you click on it. It will take you to the app. When you click on it, it will take you to the app, and this is what your account will look like after clicking on the link in your email. This shows that your profile is valid. Send a screenshot of this profile. Send a screenshot of this profile to me. But first of all, you need to upload your image. Upload your image, your fine profile image, a decent profile image. Just click there, click on this plus button, this camera icon, and upload your image. And you'll see this your invite journey. Click on this your invite journey to verify your face. Click on it to verify your face. It will show you 0 of 3 successful actions. Now you click on verify identity. Click on verify identity. It will ask you to capture your face. That is when you are going to capture your face. It will take you to your camera where you are to capture your face. Make sure you put your face inside the camera very well. Position your face inside the camera until it turns green. Stay on the camera until the camera turns green. After that, you click on capture. Then after clicking on capture, they will show you something like facial capture successful. After capturing your face, your progress will be showing 1 of 3 successful actions. This is to show that you are 1 step close to your verification. At this point, your profile should look like this: 1 of 3 successful actions. Send a screenshot of this profile to me. I will direct you on what next to do to get your account approved in a few hours, even in minutes. I have done all this work for you, and you don't have to go through the stress again. And if you are watching this video from YouTube, I will leave the link to my WhatsApp chat in the comments. Find the link and chat me up immediately. Mind you, you must watch this video to the end. A proof that you actually watched this video to the end is that your profile will be showing 1 of 3 successful actions. So that will be it for this video. See you in my free class.